Amit Shah has made some scathing remarks regarding the fake video that has been circulating around now amid the ongoing probe in Amit Shah's morphed video. Union Home Minister has condemned the dissemination of these fake videos by the Congress party, accusing them of resorting to such tactics out of frustration. He has highlighted that the criminal charges faced by a prominent Congress leader and has criticized Rahul Gandhi for quote-unquote lowering the standards of politics since assuming leadership. Amit Shah has further emphasized the reprehensible nature of circulating of fake videos to gain public support during the election season, asserting that such actions should not be undertaken by any major political party in India. Let's listen in first to what Home Minister Shah has said, then I'll go across to my colleague joining us.
मित्रों, उनकी हताशा, निराशा इस स्तर पर पहुंच गई है कि उन्होंने मेरा और कुछ भाजपा नेताओं का फेक वीडियो बनाकर सबके बीच में सार्वजनिक की। मुख्यमंत्री, प्रदेश अध्यक्ष, इस कक्षा के व्यक्तियों ने भी इस फेक वीडियो को फॉरवर्ड करने का काम किया। अब स्पष्ट हो चुका है। सौभाग्य से मैं जो बोला था उसका भी रिकॉर्डिंग हुआ था, तो वो रिकॉर्ड हमने सबके सामने रखा। दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी हो गया और आज कांग्रेस पार्टी के प्रमुख नेता क्रिमिनल ऑफेंस को फेस कर रहे हैं। ये जो कृत्य है वो उनकी हताशा और निराशा का द्योतक है। जब से राहुल गांधी कांग्रेस की कमान संभाले हैं, राजनीति का स्तर नीचे 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 ले जाने का काम कर रहे हैं और ये इसका चरम, लोकसभा में चर्चा न हो देना, राज्यसभा में बहिष्कार करा देना, शोर शराबे करना और निराधार झूठ बोलकर प्रजा में भ्रांति फैलाने का काम लगातार उनके नेतृत्व में कांग्रेस पार्टी कर रही है। और मैं मानता हूं कि अब फेक वीडियो सर्कुलेट कर फर्जी टाइप का जन समर्थन प्राप्त करने का एक प्रयास ये बहुत निंदनीय है और भारतीय राजनीति में किसी प्रमुख दल के द्वारा कभी ऐसा नहीं किया गया। भाई और बहनों, मेरी आप सबसे करबद्ध निवेदन है, सत्य को जनता तक पहुंचाइए। जनता को गुमराह जो करना चाहते हैं उनको अपने सिद्धांतों के आधार पर, अपने कार्यक्रमों के आधार पर और अपने घोषणा पत्र के आधार पर चुनाव लड़ना चाहिए। फेक वीडियो
All right, there, of course, we've heard what Union Home Minister Shah has to say. He slammed the Congress party in particular. He's hit out at them. Meanwhile, my colleague Anand Singh joins us on the broadcast this morning to share further updates with regards to this. Anand, as far as the probe is concerned, an arrest has already been made in Assam. And in fact, Union Home Minister Shah was addressing a press conference in Guwahati itself. Revant Reddy is now under the scanner of the Delhi police, and now Union Home Minister Shah has slammed the Congress party, stating that this is a tactic being used by them to garner votes.
Yes, soon after the Special Cell IFSC unit of the Delhi Police registered a case for circulating the doctored video of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Someone was issued to Telangana Chief Minister, who is also the Telangana Congress Committee Chief, A. Revant Reddy, to appear before it on May 1 with all his mobile devices and other electronic gadgets that he has used for the same purpose. So a war of words has escalated between the Congress and the BJP, whereas Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who was earlier today in Guwahati and he addressed the press conference, he alleged that the Congress has been frustrated and it has been doing these kind of activities to garner votes from the people by circulating the doctors and doctored video of the other leaders. And this is why the senior leaders of the Congress are facing charges, criminal charges by the police, and the police action is being taken against them. And he also mentioned that how since the time Rahul Gandhi took over the charge of the Congress in 2017, since then the level of politics has gone down. Pia.
All right, stay on with us, because also with us on the broadcast this morning is Mr. Alok Mehta, senior journalist, joining us on the broadcast. Good morning, sir. Thank you for speaking to NewsX. Of course, a war has broken out now over a doctored video of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. The main question, of course, remains who exactly has doctored this video, and is it a deliberate attempt to stoke tensions during the electoral cycle?
Yeah, I feel since Rahul Gandhi took over the media department, Jairam Ramesh and all, they are doing this such kind of dirty jobs, the fake videos and all. And the Supriya, one spokesperson there, she is also in charge for digital. I think because that's why the Home Minister himself alleged about it. And Home Minister must be having very serious case of this. Because on the reservation, I remember when VP Singh was the Prime Minister and then the Mandal Commission started, then so many people, even they died, they burned themselves because of on the issue of reservation. So these kind of hatred in the society, in the country, and for young generation confusing that the Home Minister wanted to just stop the reservation policy and all, and they will change the constitution. These kind of video is a very serious. It is not only about the politics, it is about the anti-India. Because it divides the country and like a communal right, and even more than communal rights. Because at that time there was no social media in 90s. But nowadays the social media all over the world, one can watch how the Indian Prime Minister talking about it. That's why I feel as a journalist, we always believe in the freedom of expression. But whatever is original, even our credibility of the media also go, because the video, sometimes we also talk about what is the video about it. Where he spoke about these issues. So on the Prime Minister or the Home Minister, I think this is a dirty game. Even somebody from BJP, if do something wrong, we oppose that. But this is the case on reservation issue. The Home Minister's video edited or fabricated and just edited in such a way, it looks like a very original. That's why even people asking us that which was the original. I think it's a very serious case.
Indeed, sir. I'd like to thank you for joining us on the broadcast, sharing your perspective. And also with us is Mr. Anshu Avasthi, Congress spokesperson. Good morning, sir. Thank you for joining us on NewsX. Fresh remarks made by Union Home Minister Shah regarding the probe into the doctored video case. There's already been an arrest made in Assam, and Union Home Minister Shah was in fact addressing a press conference in Guwahati itself. Now, the probe is escalating. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has come under the scanner of the Delhi police. Revanth Reddy has to maintain that the Delhi police is controlled by the centre, so it's working at the behest of the centre. Meanwhile, Home Minister Shah has in fact hit out at the Congress party and is stating that the Congress has resorted to this because of frustration as far as the electoral cycle is concerned. What would your response be to the BJP?
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.